Hi friends, so today we are going to see what happened on 19th February based on our key levels which is provided in our channel by 18th February evening. So the support and resistance, buy and sell with the stop loss and trailing stop loss is provided for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Come, let's see what happened on Bank Nifty. So here we have opened a 3 hours chart, and to identify the trend will be identified using 3 hours. So this is on 18th. So we have identified the trend, the level is taken off on 18th. So clearly the downtrend is started. So based on that we identify the trend is down, and we have mentioned in our channel. So coming to the lower time frame, 30 minutes, to see how our levels reacted. So this is 30 minutes chart of Bank Nifty. So here the zone is provided. Above this level is long and below this level is short. So since there is a gap down in morning and it is open below our level, there is no trade over here. So and the trend is rising, so we have waited patiently. So when the level is, see the levels, how it is reacted, the Bank Nifty price action to the level what we provided. So once there is confirmation on the rejection, we taken a position at this level with the stop loss provided. We have provided the stop loss here. You can refer to our previous video. So we have just trailed our position and we have given a target 35,928. So once the target is reached, we sold around 75% over the target, and remaining we sold it at this level. So you can check out the video where we have mentioned the target reached and the level where we sold. So coming to the lower time frame further, just see the price action, how it have behaved at that level. So the execution time frame we provided 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So based on your convenient. Here this is 5 minutes chart. So how to trade using our setup, so that's the main thing we want to show. So we have entered around this level with the stop loss over here. Since there is clear downtrend, we have continued our position. So the trailing stop loss is kept from this level. Here the trailing stop loss is kept, and also once the price is taken this level, the trailing stop loss is moved here. Further on, when the long drop in the price, so we have kept the trailing stop loss here. So here we have sold around, we have closed our position around 75%, means we have brought back what we have shorted at this level. So sell and buy here. Further, the remaining position are closed in this level. So clearly it had respected our price levels based on our analysis. So thank you. Leave your comments in the comment section if you have any questions on our approach. So daily we will be posting the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you are a day trader or swing or positional, you can just use our reference, the key levels, like at the point where you need to get into long and short and where there is no trade zone. So use along with your system and benefit with the levels. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. We will be posting the levels on daily basis.